Hey man, shout out to my boy Wade, man. You already know. Stop 100. Stop 100. BTU Misfit. BB, shout out to my blood brother. Shout out to my blood brother. You already got him. Dope shit. Whoa. Smoking LG got me feeling like a zombie. I am not from this earth, from different planet. These lanes better catch up my team, eat a money sandwich. I wake up, then I pray to God. Smoking just have a peace of mind. These niggas talking crime. I seen these niggas talking to the judge the other way. I don't fuck with snakes, man. They was me on the other day, that 421 shit. I don't give a fuck about no gun bit. All my niggas really got them toe shit. And you already talking fake like you know this, but you don't know shit. Niggas talking all the L's. These niggas don't wanna hold nothing. My niggas came up from nothing. My niggas trying to come up, make them Bentleys and them rides. Niggas talking racing down that highway. I don't give a fuck about you. My niggas shoot you in your driveway. We don't give a fuck about no haters. These niggas talking to the other side, but I don't give a fuck about no faker. These niggas, yeah, my down to die. My niggas, yeah, they down to die. Rest in peace to bro. You already know, scope. On everything, I'ma blow. If I say his name, nigga try to tap me up, but I'ma let shit be cool. Cause these niggas trying to be seized in my shark tank full of fakes. Niggas wanna fuck, but my bad bitches tryna come through like what is up. When I'm smoking on this gas, I know I smell like lots of trucks coming through with the passage. These niggas turning what's up, man, my bro. I had to do this for my heart, and it's all a ball away. Everybody talking, scoring, but they fall away. Every time I lose my everything, if I had a wedding ring, I wouldn't give shit to nobody, that's my everything. Bros coming up, we making money for the music. Everybody doing it. Nah, I don't give a fuck, I know that I come through this. You just talking lanes, these niggas, they be losing. I'm pissed, I lost the door, man, I feel like zombies. I'm smoking hella L's, it got me like a zombie. I'm walking around like a fucking Michael Jackson. Moonwalking nigga talking, EJ crashing, coming on the other side of the house, ayy. She said she need the whole thing, the large amount. I can't fuck with her cause she gon' never pay me back though. Every time I talk money, I want to see it stack though. Every time you see me with my bros, we make the racks go up, never down though. I pray to God he give me more mountains full of pounds though. If I ever come up, man, I know my niggas never going down though. We down to die, mistress hit you in your eye. BBE, they rock you left to right, then you come inside. Nigga 700 land, niggas hit you other grams. Nigga, I don't give a fuck about a fake they other man. Niggas throw the other sand, man. I got my bro Spider-Man, he hit him, web him. I do not talk to ops, these niggas never telling. My niggas with the billings, you know that got them billings. So you know we got the promethazine, so you know them Xanax never smelling. Smoking LG got me feeling like a zombie. I am not from this earth, from a different planet. Niggas talking other shit, I hit them damage. Smoking LG got me feeling like a zombie. Smoking LG got me feeling like a zombie. I am not from this earth, from a different planet. These lanes better catch up, man, my bros, they some savages. Lanes better catch up, man, my bros eating money sandwiches. Villain for life. My team eating money sandwiches. I am not from this earth, from different planet. From this earth, from different planet. I am not from this earth, different planet. Walking around, they got me smoking like a zombie.